Kevin, and tonight I'm just going to do a little dessert. We've got this little, it's actually a pretty small pineapple, and what we're going to do is we're going to cut it up, put some maple syrup on it, some sugar cinnamon on it, throw it in the smoker for about, I don't know, probably 20 minutes at 250. We'll check it, and we'll have ourselves a nice little dessert treat. So check this out. Here's how we do it. First thing you want to do is cut the top off the pineapple and the bottom. Yeah, that was right. Okay, cut the skin off. You want to try to get these eyes off. Cutting it. Okay, just like that. And all I'm going to do here is cut it in half. And I think I'm going to do this one in thirds. Should give me 6 pieces. Told you, it's a small pineapple. So we have pineapple, just like that. Let's see, yeah, that's good. Move this to the side. Get that one little eye out of there. Doesn't have to be perfect. You just don't want any hard fibers in there. Okay, and this is how tough this is going to be. I've got my maple syrup. Well, maple. It's cold out here. It's already getting hard. Just going to brush that on there. All of them. Doesn't have to be thick, it's just kind of like a binder for the sugar cinnamon. Okay, that side, put my sugar cinnamon. Sprinkle it on there. You can go as light or as heavy as you want. I like cinnamon. I like sugar. You need to get some maple on this other side. Quick. Sugar cinnamon on there. A little windy, of course, right? Always windy, it seems like. So tonight's cook, we have sugar cinnamon as our rub. Okay, and what I'm going to do is set them on my rack. Got a little rack here. Okay, all that goodness on there. So I can just get it off of this. Okay. Leave a little room in between each of them. And that's all there is to it. Okay, we've got our pineapple. Got our pit boss up the stem. Set it in there like that. We'll be back in about 20 minutes. Okay, so now that I got these in, I am using the competition blend because the competition blend is hickory, maple, and apple. And that's, I didn't have any fruit wood. That was the closest I had, but hey, hickory's delicious and those 2 fruit woods will be awesome on this. So anyway, just thought I'd let you know what pellets I'm using. Okay, I actually went 30 minutes. Look at that. Off of here. We got them off of here. We're going to let them cool and we will have these for dessert. And we are going to probably just serve them with some Cool Whip. You can use Cool Whip or ice cream or all alone or whatever you want to do. Smoked pineapple on the Pit Boss Pro Series 1100. Okay, it's time for the taste test of the smoked pineapple. I got some Cool Whip on there. First I want to see if I can get a bite of just the pineapple. Okay. Oh man, that is so good. Just a hint of smoke, not too overbearing. I can taste it. The sugar cinnamon, awesome. Now some with the Cool Whip. You can serve it with ice cream or whatever you want. Oh man. All right. Make your desserts on the Pit Boss Pro Series 1100 and enjoy it. Man, so good. All right. See you in the next video.